Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS TUF Gaming K1. In this video I'll show you how to change key bindings of your keyboard. In the beginning, let's go to Armoury Crate app. Go to Devices and your keyboard, and now select key you would like to reassign. For example, select this button, go to List and select between default, keyboard function, mouse function, open website multimedia, or Windows shortcut, or preset input text. Now select confirm, and it's done. Now whenever you'll press P button, it will use the assigned function. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.